Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the Instagram app and go to your profile to manage notifications. Tap the three-line menu in the top right. Choose Settings, then Notifications to find Pause All options. Select Pause All and pick 15 minutes, 60 minutes, 480 minutes, or 1,440 minutes to stop alerts. This temporarily silences push alerts without muting any specific account. Use this when you need uninterrupted focus for a short period of time. To stop alerts from one account, open their profile and tap Following to reveal options. Tap Notifications and toggle Mute for posts, stories, reels, or live. Muting prevents their content notifications without unfollowing or blocking the user. You can mute multiple kinds of content separately, like only stories or only reels. These mutes remain active until you return and manually unmute that account in the same Notifications menu. For a complete and lasting silence, use your phone settings to disable Instagram notifications. Open Settings, go to Notifications, then find Instagram in the Apps list. Toggle off Allow notifications or disable sounds, badges, and banners individually. This stops all push alerts from likes, comments, messages, and follows across every account. Use this method when you want persistent silence without changing Instagram internal mutes or using the temporary pause all feature.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.